welcome back to my frozen shop here. This episode we're going to be doing a little service on marvelous Kubota L3560. We're going to change the oil, hydro filters, air filter, and fuel filter. So stick with me, we'll get her done. Change the air filter. There again, there's two parts to the air filter, so you got to pop your hood, and then there's two clips, and you fight this thing out because God forbid the hood could have gone up another inch or so. This thing, you'll notice, it says top, and I bring that up for an important reason because I'm an idiot and I put it like this, but you know, no sense being stupid unless you show it. Pull your air filter out. So this one only has 200 hours on it, but I've blown it out quite a few times, and I move my coal ash with it, and you can see it's pretty nasty. I mean, I probably could get away with blowing it out again, but I mean, might as well change it. And then, so there's two filters. There's an inner and an outer. I think the outer one is every 400 hours you change it, and this one's every 1,000. Yeah, so we're doing it at 200, but yeah, so just take a look at this one. Like my outer one is, you know, really clean. So obviously the inner one's gonna be fine, but it don't hurt to take a look. And I probably would change it, you know, at 500 hours. So then write your hours and the date on it, slide it in there. It's not the easiest thing in the world to do, but it'll go in, and then you can kind of feel it seat in there. And then you take your cover where it says top now, and puts this little dangler here at the bottom where you can, that goes at the bottom. So you'll also notice when you actually put it in properly and you actually put it to where it says top, it fits better. It actually has like the hooks and everything work better. I say that, but wants to fight me. There you go. Come on, guy. There you go. Oh, he's happy. So there. That's how you do the air filter on a Kubota L3560. Thanks for watching.